Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to generate barcodes in Zoho Inventory. First, make sure barcode generation is enabled in your account. Go to Settings, Customization, PDF Templates, and enable the Item Barcodes feature. This unlocks the barcode functionality. Next, navigate to the Items module from your Zoho Inventory dashboard. Select the product for which you want to generate a barcode. Open the item details and look for the Generate Barcode button. If it doesn't appear, check that the item is a stocked product and that you have the required permissions. Click Generate Barcode and Zoho Inventory will create a unique barcode for your item. You can download, print, or attach it to invoices, packing slips, or labels. Repeat the process for all other products as needed. You can also use barcode templates to make printing easier. And that's it! You've successfully generated barcodes for your inventory items in Zoho Inventory. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.